Yeah, I'm recording some of this shit, because those are just crazy, crazy clouds, really low. It's just crazy looking.
Let's go, Mike. Okay, start.
Crazy looking.
We have a tornado warning. I guess. This thing right here. Yeah, there was one layout there that was pretty scary looking.
And here comes the rain. It's so brown over there, look at that. That's just awful. That's probably the rain, black and white. Look, you can't see anything anymore, it's just turning brown. There's dandelions flying everywhere. Yeah, it does look pretty cool.
Look at all that pollen.
Yeah, holy cow. I'm getting it. You can see it. It looks like smoke. That is nuts.
Do you see this funnel thing over here though? It's been like dancing around. It's giant. Yeah. That's what it is.
Oh, I got pelted right in the eye with an ginormous block.
This whole big thing.
Yeah, it is huge. Jeez, that was a big, big drop of water in the eye.
These are, dude. He was just saying quarter-sized hands.